Hello everyone, welcome to Remyas World. Today I am making interesting Kerala style sweet snack within it's called Raggi Ela or Raggi elayappam as known in Kerala. Use natural ingredients in this one. Let's go start and check out the recipe. To the bowl add 1 cup of ragi flour. Next add 1 pinch of salt. First just mixing everything together.
So next just add little hot water at the time to mix tea gist flour together to make it faux. If you can see the flour instantly cooks well adding this hot boiling water. Just use 1 drop of oil when mixing the dough. You can see the dough is refi. 1 cup of grated coconut and jaggery powder and 1 pinch of cardamom powder.
Steam Raggi Ela in banana leaf. Place the dough ball and gently press down and just flatten it and place a teaspoon of prepared coconut filling. Now gently close the leaf and seal the ada on all sides. So if we see the ada sealed beautifully on all sides, get the steamer is ready. Once the steam coming, place the tray and steam this for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you can see the ragi ada is cooked beautifully. It is a wonderful and healthy snack easily make at home. It is a wonderfully nutritious and healthy snack that can give loved ones. To try the recipe, enjoy and share with the family and friends. If you like this video, you can subscribe my channel Remyas World and